Welcome back, guys. Dark Midnight back here with Sarza, and we're back at it again with another video back to back, guys. The last video, we were just going through the storyline, basically getting everything prepared and the tutorial up and everything like that. Now, we are going into Sword Art Online, and we're actually going to be playing it in this episode. Right, Sarza?
What?
Oh god, he didn't hear me. Forget him.
Hey, screw you.
Fuck you.
Fuck you.
Fuck you.
Hey.
What?
I said yay.
No. Ew. No.
Please, no. I'm already taken.
Okay. No.
Sword Art Online.
It's a girl factor.
Link stato.
Link totally.
Link stato.
Make me ramen noodle.
We don't have any.
Fuck.
You idiot.
I will. What the fuck, man?
Player can't join us. He's being banned from his games.
Oh shit. What did he do?
I don't know.
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
He done gone rogue on us. Alright, I'm logged in. I just started this game and I already got a robe. Okay.
You got no robe.
Fuck you.
You got a cape.
Cape, bitch. Cape. Alright.
Me, babe.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Hell no.
Brown, brown.
No. No. Fuck you looking at hair.
What the hell? What the hell just happened?
I noticed your hair has highlights.
No there. Okay. We need to go out into the field.
Okay. I'll follow you there.
Where the fuck do we need to go? Oh yeah. This way. Wait, what the fuck? Wait, what is that? What is on my mini map? What the fuck is this? Bulletin board? Let's see what this is. There are no quests you can accept. Okay. Oh, that would probably that would figure.
Yes.
Alright guys, sorry for that. I had to pause the video real quick. We are back. Sarza and me are back, and we are going to go out and... I am going the wrong way once again. We're going to go out. I need to go kill some boars. Or whatever.
Frenzy boys.
Yes.
And the player running like a Naruto.
Naruto.
No. Just no.
Just yes.
No. Just no. Never.
Naruto.
Shut up.
Okay. Whoa. And I can't move. Oh no. Don't go back. Oh no. No 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 no. Oh no no.
You coming with what? Thank you. Come along.
Come along, child.
Come along, boy.
Child.
Boy.
Child.
Boy.
Child.
Boy.
Child.
Boy.
Child.
Boy.
Child.
Boy.
God damn it.
God damn you are a boy.
Alright. Finally. Oh, cutscene.
God damn it.
What happened?
What do you mean what happened? You just told me.
I think it's a cutscene, or I just went into a loading screen. Yep, cutscene. Alright, that's all of them. How was it? Think you can keep up? I think we'll be okay. It might be a grind, but you're making progress, right? One small step and one giant leap. How about your little friend there? I'm still not sure I can do this, but I don't want to just sit here whining and not getting anything done. Although, I feel like I might just be going through the motions to try and forget the reality of the situation. That's fine. It's still a realistic solution. These items are real after all. Now then, before I hand over this coal, here's some advice from yours truly. Now that you have some coal, you can pick up gear in the shopping district. It's like paying for peace of mind, don't forget. So, Argo, why have you been so kind to us? We all just met by chance out here and all. You didn't need to help us like this. Oh, but I did indeed. You see, ideal information. Building contacts and credibility is my trade. Tons of players are still stuck in the plaza in disbelief. People who head straight to work like you. Well, you are a rare comedy. So, now that you owe me one, I'll make sure you repay me in kind. You are my future investment. Nothing is more expensive than something free. We'll be sure to repay you. I'm looking forward to seeing how much my investment pays out. Okay. That's the spirit. Oh yes, I think I like you a lot. Here's to a mutually beneficial future. The hell? Just watching you guys makes me nervous all over again. You got wrecked before I could collect my investment. I totally lost out. Come on, you owe me now. Hey, a beginner's lesson from Miss Know-It-All. Hey, I'm doing this out of the goodness of my heart because you are such noobs. If you don't listen up, I'll charge you, pal. Yeah, thanks for the advice. The coal I gave you is the standard currency in this world, you know that, right? If you want to live here and not just survive, you'll definitely need coal. Why do you think that is? We'll need to buy items. I figured you know that much. It's the basis of the game after all. But let's take this a step further. Okay then, one more question. What's the point of buying items? To heal injuries, and Argo, how did you put it? Buying gear is like paying for peace of mind. You really took that to heart. Of course, it's almost as important to keep grinding XP and leveling up bit by bit. But the quickest shortcut to getting stronger in a snap is equipping effective gear, especially while your skills and stats are still pretty meh. It's not exaggerating to say that exaggerating to say that a tiny boost can mean life or death. First off, I recommend forging strong gear at the workshop. The workshop? That's a place for making weapons and armor, right? Yeah, you can make gear there if you got materials from drops and quest rewards and coal to pay the production fee. Production fee. I already read it.
Production!
There were some materials in that reward just now, so let's try making something first. Let's see, I recommend a small buckler. It never hurts to have one. Talk to the NPC at the workshop and they'll take care of it for you. Now's your chance, go for it. And my phone's dying. Whoop whoop!
Bucklers of shit.
Okay, I gotta plug my phone up. We both have our phone.
Come here.
Come here.
No. You, come here.
Alright. I got 1,000 coal. Day one.
Wait,
what is
where'd
this?
how the hell did you get in the city that quick?
I have no idea.
I've been sitting here hitting random boars without you, and you're in the city of the target market? Of the marketing, I mean? Merchant district, I mean, God! Nobody tells me what their real names are. You bastard. You bitch.
Jesus, what's your language? Alright. What is this?
How do you not see me? Ow.
Did that really hurt?
You just headbutted my eye.
I'm sorry.
I'm gonna kill you.
I'm gonna put some pants on instead of this skirt. This is a horrible skirt.
I know, right?
Player equipment. What? Is that really the pants? Whoa.
What?
The hell? God, was that you? Okay. I think we're good for now. Don't you think? I think we're good for now. Just for now, anyway. Alright. Let's see what this is all about.
You can make weapons here in the workshop.
You can create weapons. Working on equipment can come with random bonuses. Depending on your luck, power, full effects might be added. Working requires materials and coal. The required materials and coal differ depending on what you're making.
Listen.
God damn it. Fucking Navi.
Watch out.
You mother... I'm gonna kill you. The small buckler. Smash buckler buccaneer. Okay.
Watch out.
You. Ooh. Okay, how do you forge this shit? Oh, produce. I like the sounds. Yay.
Sounds gross.
I got the swashbuckling buckler.
Ew. Just ew.
So, Did the forging go well? The small buckler you made will be your best friend in battle. Speaking of battle, did you notice that the basic gear all SAO players got at the start of the game come with 5 kinds of weapons? There's not much difference between the weapons at first, but there are 3 types of sword skills: slashing, thrusting, and striking. Slashing, thrusting, and striking. Yeah, they slice, pierce, or smash. Each kind of weapon...
Smash. Smash Brothers!
Okay, each kind of weapon tends toward a different type. Monsters are weak against different types. Switching weapons to suit your opponents can give you the edge in battle. You can swap between 2 types with quick change, set your main and sub-weapons, then use both according to the flow of battle. I think it's fine to pick whichever weapon you like best to use as your main. Some weapons only hit one enemy and some hit all enemies within a field of effect. Two-handed weapons can usually hit multiple enemies. I guess that's enough about weapons for now. Anyway, sorry I got sidetracked. Now that we've tried forging, let's practice upgrading. Upgrading? You mean making that shield even stronger? Bingo! Even gear that starts out useless at level 1 can be awesome if you raise its level with upgrades. Upgrades require coal and materials too. There's an upper limit of levels, but it is worth the effort if you can. There should be upgrade materials and that reward too. Talk to the blacksmith NPC and see about upgrading the shield you just made.
What?
And can you load faster, please? Please load faster. I am right here. Can you just load in, please? Oh. Equipment, player equipment. You can equip up to 2 weapons, which you can switch between quick change, tap 1 or 2 to choose one. Each weapon can equip up to 4 sword skills. When equipped to 1H weapons, you can equip a shield to the other hand. Okay. La blah blah.
What?
La blah blah.
What?
What the hell are we doing? Okay.
What? Seriously, Littlefoot, you little fuck?
Whoa. Please. Okay, I got a little shield. Okay, blacksmith.
Language, Mario?
Did you steal my fucking lasagna again, bitch?
Yes. I was hungry!
Mario, you already know the consequences. Takes out a baseball bat.
Mario, we're brothers!
I am Luigi, motherfucker.
But you called Mario.
I'm calling you bitch. Okay, I don't know where this is leading to.
You were calling Mario, I was Luigi!
No, I'm Luigi, you're Mario.
No, I am not Mario.
What is wrong with us? Please save us. Someone in the comment section. Oh no.
Stop licking me, dog!
Yeah. Pizza.
No. You are pizza.
Pizza.
Eat yourself if you're hungry for pizza. I was kidding, but go ahead.
Oh, mother, God, son of a bitch. Oh.
Ow. Everything hurts.
Oh, yeah.
Everything is a bitch in the itch
Indeed.
of my ass.
Okay, please, can you please stop talking about butts?
You started it.
Enhancing skill records or weapons at blacksmith will increase their capabilities. Gold and enhanced materials are required to enhance. Once you chosen the item you want to enhance and materials you want to use, press the enhance button. Blacksmiths are not only capable of enhancing items, but also transforming them. Transforming greatly improves items' stats, max out an item's level, then use materials and coal to transform it. Equipment. I'm gonna do my sword. If I can, if it would let me. Hey, sword. Sword, sword. They got rapiers?
I need a diamond sword, 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 sword.
Can you
I
please
need a
shut the
diamond sword.
fuck up? How do you do this shit? How do you do this? Wait. I am going to have a level 7 sword at the beginning. Yes. You have a gift. Alright. Now what? Was I supposed to upgrade my shield? Enhance equipment. Oh shit. I think I fucked up. Oh no. I actually didn't. My shield is a level 1 and a level 7 now. Oh! I'm such a fucking retard.
What did you do? What did you do?
I didn't do anything.
Nothing.
Exactly, that's what I did for real. I thought I upgraded my sword, but instead, I just backed out. I am not upgrading that shield. I'm sorry, but no. Alright. A level 7 sword. Looks like we cleared all the tasks for forging and upgrading. Let's go tell Argo. There's Argo. What the hell? What the hell? That scared the fuck out.
What?
I swear to God, I saw a ghost.
There are no ghosts.
Bullshit, I just saw, what's his name? In the red hood. I swear I did. I got this on record. I will show you afterwards.
Anthony, there are no ghosts. Those are just glitches.
There's a fucking ghost standing right by Argo.
Those are avatar glitches. They appear like that all the time.
Hey, you mastered upgrading too. Keep upgrading your gear whenever you save up enough coal and materials. Not just weapons and armor, your S. Skill record too. She paused at S. She paused at S. Skill record?
That ass.
Is that an item for listening to music or something? No, that can't be right. It records skills, not music. It's useful items that lets you use different techniques depending on what you have equipped. Order are handy shortcuts.
Order up.
I'm still figuring them out myself, but you can get rare skills that way if you're lucky. You need items called Arcanan Gems to use them instead of coal, I think. Give it a try, if you get any. Arcana, like the Tarot Arcana?
Arkansas?
Wow, you're a real expert. Okay. I don't really know much about it. I just had a friend who was into fortune telling. She used to read my fortune for fun. Skill record, take the form of cards, so many, origin name. Okay. Okay. Latin arcanum, it means mystery. To arcan gem means mysterious stones. They're gems that can be affixed to cards that summon skills from the possibilities of the past, present, and future. I see. Hey, whatever you call it, a rose still smells sweet. They're useful, and that's all that matters. When you get the Arcan Gem, use order to get skill record and upgrade them to raise your skill level. That's all you need to remember for now. It's kind of a lot, but got the idea? I memorized every word. I need a review, I think. I'll remember it better once I try it with Dark Midnight. And there's the damn ghost again. Orders can be used from menu shop. Orders use arcane gems to get new skill records. Collect skill records to increase the sword skills and abilities that you can equip. Let's use the arcane gems you got from the quest to try out the order. Collect quest rewards from the present box to make them useful. You can also collect them from the presentation box. Alright. Quest clear! Okay, I got 48 XP. Sweet. Alright, let's see what I got. Okay. So guys, that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Please hit that subscribe button, leave a like, and peace out, guys.